guys, it's Lisa here for another Winter Birds Junk Journal lesson, part number 4. Sorry I haven't been on for a while. I've been kind of going through a lot of my pictures and a lot of my different things that I wanted to get ready for this video, and it's been taking me a while. I don't know why, but it's just taking me a while. But anyway, I've come up with an idea for today. We're going to be doing a flip out pocket corner, and it's going to be cool. But so anyway, I did some things on the last page that we did, and I wanted to kind of show you what I kind of did a little bit. So on this, I found this little pocket that I made out of, well, I don't know, some kind of paper, some shiny paper, and I stitched around the edge of it to make this little pocket. And I thought what I would do is go ahead and glue this down behind here so that you'd have a little pocket to put some pages in if you wanted, or something like that. So get out my glue, and I saw it in my stash, and I thought this would look really good in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And how's everybody doing? I hope really good. We got some snow earlier this week, and it sounded like it was going to be really bad, but it ended up being not so bad. So it's good. We thought it was going to last longer and be heavier, and it wasn't. It was pretty mild, actually. Only really snowed one day. So I'm going to put this here. And you'll be able to put things in through the top and the back, because they only glued 3 sides to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I clipped this little picture on the front. And then this, I reinforced a little bit on the back of here when I glued the picture on last time, and I added some little places where you could journal here. And I also added a really pretty, I got this at the thrift store the other day, this really pretty paper. And I thought that would look so nice in there. I love it. So I'm going to I made a little pocket and a journaling spot, if you can see this here. And I'm just going to put the paper right in here. Look at that. Okay. So today, I'm going to flip through some of our pages to an area in the back here, right here, on this blank page. And so what I thought I would do is make a little pocket here out of some of my music paper. Let's see. I got it out of this book here that they were throwing out, and it's just a whole bunch of little music pages and stuff. And so I love the color. It's just perfect. You don't have to dye it or anything. De-dye it. So, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this little bird. And I'm going to put this behind it. And I have an idea of what I want to do on the edges here. I don't really like that it looks so plain here. So I'm going to take some paper that I got. This is just from the back of a book, and just people's names, almost like an index. And I'm going to cut out some of these names, or I'm going to strip and put the strip of these words here. Looks kind of interesting. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to tear this, and I'm going to just measure about how much I want here, and it's about that. And I'm going to just some little strips like that, and I'm going to glue that down there. So, and I'm going to use my glue stick for this. Get it on there. So anyhow, it's been pretty good around here. I've been trying to keep organized, busy, and everything, but yeah, other than that, it's been pretty slow. Let me put this on here. And should have probably inked the edges of that. I think I'll go in and I'll try to just do the edges a little bit on here. Just kind of give it a little bit of an aged look to it. Okay. This is my frayed burlap I'm using on here. Alright, now I'm going to cut another piece and put it down this side and get a bigger piece. This is, and I'm just going to just eyeball it. Well, first I'm going to cut this edge first. I know that's noisy. And then, okay, I want it this side. I want it to be the right side up. And I could probably use one of my ripping rulers, but you know, I kind of like doing it by hand. It's kind of relaxing. So, that's a little bit bigger there. I think I'll cut this off a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, put this on the edge, about like that. I'm going to tear it from the top. Okay. And this one I'm going to make sure I ink it, make sure it's inked nice and good. Yeah, it was one of the days it was snowing. I took the day off of work, and my older son called up and said, "Hey, did you take the day off today?" I said, "Sure, I did." And so he goes, "Hey, I did too. You guys want to go out for breakfast?" So he came and picked my husband and I up, took us out for breakfast. So it was kind of nice. He did that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down here. Or do I like this side? I don't know, I like this side. And so we went out for breakfast, and it was really nice. We liked it. Okay, I'm going to go this one here. This is a little bit more of a gap here that I would like there to be, but I think it's fine. I'm going to just kind of fill in a little bit over here, just a little bit on the white parts. Okay, and now I need another one to go on the bottom. Let's see. And this one I can put on the bottom. Alright, look at this. I just kind of wanted to just cover the page a little bit just because it just seemed sort of kind of boring. And I was thinking about maybe putting some like a colored cardstock under here, but I didn't. All the white pieces off. Okay, and glue that down. So anyway, and this is going to go here. I hope you guys can see this. I hope that I'm in frame here. Right. Okay, like that. And then on this end, I might just get a little sliver of something just to put there. It doesn't have to be, it just needs to be a small piece, pretty much. Okay, let's see here. Oh, there's just too much of a gap right there. I don't like that part, but this might work here. This one's, it's a little bit upside down, or it was. Yeah, no, it's not anymore. Good. Okay, and then I'm going to just go this down too. Just like this. Okay, ink it. All right. and glue it. And just cram it in there. Okay, that. Alright, so I got my background. And then I'm going to take this. I like that. I like the writing on this and stuff, and it's about a piano. I'm going to just put that over the top of that, ink it, ink the edges. I have to always plan something ahead of time before I actually do it, because I can't just be up here not having at least an idea of what I'm doing, because that just causes me a lot of stress. So, alright, now, so I'm going to glue that down in a minute, and I wanted to take my music paper like this, and I wanted to, let's see, how am I going to do this? I'm going to fold it up, okay, and then, oh, let me see, I got to get out of the paper that I did earlier, see how I did this. So you want to take it, alright, you want to fold it up, let's use this one, fold it up, and then you want to fold it over. Fold it up and then put this in the back. Okay? And then we're going to take it and I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to glue this right on here. And then this is going to be like a little flip out with some pages, and here's a little bird I'm going to put on here for that. Alright, let's go ahead and glue this down. And I'm just going to glue 3 sides of it. And I'm going to use this glue over here. The PVA glue. Because I want it to be open on the top. So you can use it as a pocket. I'm just going to do all the sides here. And then, thinking about, I'm going to use my hole punch and punch a little hole in the very top. Make a notch on the top. Put it right there. And then I'm going to glue it down on here. This. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this that I folded, and I'm going to put some paper on the inside of this before I put my bird on. Put my bird on last. So I want to ink it. Even though it's pretty, you know, kind of rustic looking anyway, I just still want to ink it. So it looks good. So, yeah, I'm busy. I've been pretty busy. They put me in a new area, like I said before, at work, and so it's a lot more work to do. But I really like it. The girls I'm working with are pretty nice. It's pretty, you know, pretty basic. I like the people, so that makes work even better. And when it's a little bit busier, it makes the day go by faster. So that's what I like about it. Go ahead and do that. All right, and then I'm gonna place it right here. But I'm gonna add some pages in here real quick, and I'm trying to find it. I had some sitting here that I wanted to use for it, so I think I'll use this. And let's see, how do I put this in here? Okay, first I'm going to untuck it there, and I'm going to just see how big of a piece I need to put in here. And I'm just going to fold this in half, and I'm going to put it right in there, like that. And I'm going to trim it. So I'm going to get my pencil, and I'm going to just measure this around here to trim it. Okay. And then I'm going to cut it. Right on those lines. Alright, and let's see. Put it right in there. And I'm going to cut this side because it's together actually on that one end. And, okay, so turn it over. And of course, it's going to be it's still going to stick out a little bit. And that's not a biggie because I'm going to just go ahead and staple this in, and I'm going to trim it. So, okay, I need to get my clips. Looking at something I'm looking at here. Alright, I'm going to put these in, hold this in place while I staple it together. Get out my stapler, my big stapler, and I'm gonna go ahead and staple it together in that groove. Okay, I'm gonna put 3 staples in. Like that. Oh no, that one's too far down. Okay, I'll take that one out real quick. Just pull it right out. I have a staple remover, but I just, I can just do this real quick. Okay, so there's that. And I probably should have done the staples where the staple is on the outside instead of it showing this on the outside. It should have been on the inside. And so, but anyway, I'm going to just go ahead and go with it. I'm going to trim off the excess after I've folded it. Okay. All right, there it is. We got our little book. And you can put a lot of writing in here. It's like 4 pages of writing. That's kind of good. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and, I'm noticing that this, when I fold this, it sticks out a little bit. I'm going to just trim it just a little bit here. Like that. And I'm going to glue this down. And I want to glue it to where these sides here is where I'm going to glue it at. I'm going to glue this flat onto here, onto the back of this part. Like that. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to glue both of these sides here. I'm going to glue that. There we go. And then go ahead and glue it down here. Like that. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. And then now this part I left, I'm going to glue this down because we're going to use this whole thing as the pocket. This thing's it's going to be open here. Let's see, it's going to be open here. And it's going to be open all the way down here. And this, I can leave open. I'm going to leave open too, so you can slide a little mark in there you know, like a tag or something in there. And then this is my bird. It's gonna go right on the corner. It's gonna be so cute. And I'm gonna ink him up. Ink him. And I'm gonna try to get all the white. I want the white to look dark. I don't want it being too bright at all. That's mainly what I'm doing here. And I got this bird either off of Graphics Fairy, or I got it out of this book I have of these birds. I'm not sure. I think it might be Graphics Fairy though. That's what I think. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue my little bird down on here. I fussy cutted this thing and it took a while with all these little pieces that I, you know, fussy cutted. And I think that I probably just should have left some of it, because it probably wasn't a big deal to do all of it, you know, but I did. Alright, this little bird is so cute. So I want to just put him right here on this pocket here. Slide him up a little bit there. And it's kind of hanging off the edges a little bit right here, but I think that kind of gives it character. It's kind of nice. Okay, that. See? And then you have your little pages to do your journaling on here. Let me put this over here real quick. So anyhow, I was going to show you another thing I wanted to do on this. I wanted to show you just some tags that you can maybe put in here. And I made some of these tags. And what is so cool about these tags is that what I realized was I took some scissors, these decorative scissors like this. It's got the little scallop. And I just took them, and I'll give you an example of what I did. And I just took them, and I cut around the edges of them, and it made them really cool looking, really neat with that cool edge. I'm going to just cut one of mine. I'll put it back up here. I was going to cut one of these and show you how this is. It's really neat. So you start here, and you just go around. It just gives it a really neat look that's not your typical tag look, you know. It just is so cool. And then I came up here, and then on here I kind of went, you know, like that. And it looks pretty neat. I think it's cute. It's really cute. So you can put that in there. And then I thought, this is another some ephemera that I got, and I thought what you could do is you could take your, like another bird picture like this, you know, and put it on here. You could glue it on here. I had another one somewhere. Where did I put it? There's a different bird picture, but it was similar to that one. Well, I don't know where I put it. I put it somewhere, I'm not sure where. But so anyway, that's pretty much what we're going to do. And then this, I'm going to put a bird on here when I find that page. And I'm going to just put this in here, you know, and maybe put like another bird on here. I cannot find it, or what I did with it. See, that's what I get for not being totally prepared for doing this. So, let me see. Well, I don't know where I put it. So, okay, well anyway, this is pretty much what we're going to do today. And then I showed you how you do this really cool book, little bookmark here. It's really cool. So anyway, when we come back, we're going to make more tags and another tag to fit in here. And this tag, oh wait, here it is. I found it. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and ink this little guy up and put him on here. And this is what I was thinking about. We could either put in here, or I could use it for on another page. But I just wanted to show you how we did it. Now on this one, I didn't really fussy cut it too much on the edges. Kind of kept it like it is. And I'm just gonna ink it. Get my little inking thing. Okay, I ink it. Just take the white off of it so it blends better with the. And I'm just doing this part. I'm not doing on the bird or anything on there. So I want that to look natural. The natural weight on that. And then that, let me see. I'm going to glue it on there. I think I got some of these ephemeras through the Roxy Creations or Ilopa, which I've gotten some of her bookmarks or her tags and stuff before. It's one of those, and I got these little ephemeras, and these are really neat to have because they're really neat to copy. I got it for a DigiKit and copy them, and because they really are fun to do. And then you take your bird. Now, what did I do with it? What did I do with it? Oh, here it is. It blends in so well, I didn't see it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down on here. I'm wondering if I should put anything, you know, on the side of it. You know, that might kind of. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and glue it down on here. And just put it on here. I think it looks cute. Like that. See? And this little thing, I don't know. So I thought about just flopping this on there somewhere. But maybe not. Maybe I just wanted to do it. Okay. Anyway, guys, this is pretty much what we're going to do today. It was a really simple, quick video. And this little guy, you know, you could put him, you know, anywhere you wanted, really. Here, I think that I probably won't put it here because it looks like it's too busy with too many birds sitting right there. And I'm probably going to put in some paper or something here. Kind of like, even like this paper here. This really pretty decorative paper that I stuck there. I could put that behind here too, you know. So that the real pretty decorative part is up. And then put that there, you know. That looks kind of cute, so I'll probably leave it at that for now and see what I can do next time. So, but like for this, I could put this anywhere, you know. I might even put this on the next page when I do it or something. We'll come up with something. Okay, guys, well, that's it for our video today. Winter Birds part number 4. And so I hope you guys enjoyed making this little flip out. I think it was really fun doing it. And so I will see you back either tomorrow or the next day. And if you guys get a chance, give me a thumbs up. Tell people about my channel. Subscribe. And hit the bell there so that you can get on my list to get new videos as soon as they come out. They'll be sent to you. So, but anyways, check out my Etsy shop. I have some books available through my Etsy shop. And as always, it's great coming to you guys and bringing you guys some videos. And so I will see you next time with part number 5. So thanks for watching. Bye!